Walking through the park with the flower in my hand. Got nothing in my pocket but $1 to spend. Got your music in my phone and I'm playing it loud. Think I saw a rat and a bunny in the
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I love you.
Birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day, Auntie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. We wish you more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo palagi na Uncle Jan. We wish you.
Happy birthday. May the Lord bless you always. Ang kanakapay niya po Diyos iti salon at thank you kada kita ayat mo kada kami. Thank you nga si ka iti big sister. Thank you kada kita concern mo kada kami. Kami man masubsubalitan dagiti manangam ni Apo Diyos amuna dagiti nilaon dagiti puspuso tayo aglalalo kanyam ti ayat nga ititan mo kada kami. Pudno launay nga makita mi ken kay kina managayat nga kamsat. Thank you very much and I love you. Happy birthday.
Manang, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Agawid ka tuyin Manang. Happy birthday latan. Kumusta ni Manong? Sige, Manang. Ang bakasyon kayo to. Nagkikita tayo tumanang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy 80. Kumusta nga niyo Manong? Big brother. Kumusta anak ko at Manang? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manang. God bless you. Thank you very much for your love and unending pasalubong. Happy birthday. God bless you. We love you. Miss you.
Bye po.
Bye.
God bless. Happy birthday po. Miss you Manang and Manong. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Chang.
Hello, Chang. Happy birthday. Sana healthy ka always. Stay pretty. At saka thank you. Happy birthday. God bless you, Chang.
Happy birthday. Hello.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Revijos, happy birthday.
Hello kapamilya, good evening, greetings from Dubai. Sana humabol pa tong video na to because I need to give my gratefulness and greetings to one special person na naging part ng buhay ko from all the stages of my life, and that's no other than our Susan Roses ng pamilya, Auntie Remy. Chang, happy birthday. Alam mo mula ng elementary days ko in Bacood hanggang sa mag-high school, college, hanggang sa mag-wedding ako, magkaroon ng pamilya, at hanggang sa pumunta ako ng Dubai. Isa ka sa mga sumuporta sa akin. And this is the much awaited moment na masabi ko naman yung aking gratitude sa iyo. Time and distance ang siguro naging dahilan para hindi ako makapag-express kung ano man yung nasa puso ko. But God knows how much I waited this moment para masabi ko naman sa iyo lahat ng mga gusto kong pasasalamat. Because kung wala ka, isa ka sa mga tumayong second nanay ko. So, I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed for having you. I thank God for your life and I wish you the best in life. Peace, prosperity, joy, and good health. Happy birthday again, Auntie. Sorry, sana makahabol ito. I'm just coming from a 14-hour work and I just take this opportunity para naman mabigyan kita ng karapat-dapat na greetings that you deserve. I love you and I miss you. In regards to all.
Mare, I may not be there in person, but I'm still wishing you the happiest birthday. Sayang nga, sabay pa ang birthday celebration natin. Looking back, we have wonderful memories together, especially sa PPSDAs. You are one who I can always count on, and I hope you feel the same way. You're more than a friend, you're a family. Birthday comes every year, but friends like you comes in a lifetime. I miss you so much, Mare, and I hope you have a fabulous and wonderful celebration. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.